We're in the peak of hurricane season, and the tropics are staying very active. This afternoon, we don't have one, but two new advisories on two different storms.
CBS 4's Lisette Gonzalez joins us now with the latest on everything that's going on. Lisette.
It is very busy, and it is the peak of the season, so this is to be expected. But we will begin with Tropical Storm Jerry, which formed as of this morning, and it is becoming better organized and has strengthened. As of the 11 a.m. advisory, max sustained winds have increased to 50 miles an hour, and it's located 855 miles east of the Leeward Islands, moving west-northwest at 14 miles an hour, and it'll continue to move in that general direction over the next few days. Could be just north of or near the northern Leeward Islands as we head into late Thursday or Friday as a Category 1 hurricane, and then as we head into Saturday, could be near or just over parts of Puerto Rico, and then it'll likely take a turn to the northwest or the north-northwest. By Monday, should weaken to a tropical storm, and as we look at the computer models, subtropical ridge is currently steering this system, and it is going to continue to steer it at least for the next few days until we see a weakness in that ridge, and that's when Jerry could be taking a turn more towards the north, heading out into the open waters of the Atlantic, or a little bit more towards the northwest. We'll have to wait and see. It's still too soon to tell the impacts for the islands and for the U.S., but we'll be watching it closely. We also have what's left of Tropical Depression Imelda. The final advisory was issued earlier in Hurricane Humberto, major Category 3 hurricane. Max sustained winds 120 miles an hour. Hurricane warnings in place for Bermuda as conditions are deteriorating today, and they'll experience hurricane force conditions. And although the core is passing to the north of there and eventually moving out into the northern Atlantic, Imelda and all the moisture is just going to continue to bring rain and flash flooding to eastern Texas. I'll have more on our local forecast straight ahead.